Do you know how to change external bulbs or check for a bulb fault? Why it's important, how to do it, what to look for? My name is Dan and I have the answers. It is good practice to do a weekly check of your lights and direction indicators to make sure they work and that you are safe. Sometimes it is easier to do this at night as you get the best reflection or get a colleague to assist you. This process is designed to cover vehicles fitted with conventional lighting systems using bulbs for the light source. If the car is fitted with LED headlights, this is a more specialist job as the bulb system is internal and cannot be replaced. A new headlamp unit may be required or further diagnostics required. If the vehicle is fitted with Xenon headlamp units, you have limited repair options. Most modern cars use simple diagnostics process when you first turn on the ignition as a functional check. Within a few minutes, the car will tell you if there is a lighting fault, typically with a bulb light fault light indicator. Changing vehicle bulbs can require some technical skill. If in doubt, go to your local workshop. If you are comfortable with proceeding, please refer to the vehicle handbook to see what the procedures are. These will be listed for your vehicle. First, ensure that the electrics are isolated, ignition off and the light switch to off. If the light is not working, it may be worth checking that a fuse has not blown. This may save you some time. To gain access, some cars may require other components to be removed. In some cases, inner wheel arches, under bumper trims, etc. Identify the procedure for the bulb replacement. Replace the bulb with a product of exactly the same specification. Take real care not to touch the bulb or filament with bare hands as the moisture can damage the life of the bulb.